a seed haul that I received from Botanical Interest. I never ordered from them before. So I did have a coupon code for free shipping. So I took advantage of that and bought some seeds for the fall planting. So let's see what's in our box. This is how our box looks inside. And it says happy growing from Botanical Interest. I got quite a few seeds in here. I forgot what I even ordered. Okay, they send you a seed starting guide. So that's good. Flip it over to the back. And I got a free seed. It says thank you. I got lettuce pack. I bought some bush beans, Ferrari. I think that is what it. Ferrari. This pack was $2.99. And I forget how many beans are in here. It says 15 grams, but on the website it does tell you how many beans come in here. It's frost sensitive and it takes 63 days to harvest, so after your last chance of spring frost. So I got those beans. Then I ordered some other, bean pole yard long beans, Oriental Wonder. I was wondering if I ordered any pole beans. So I'm going to try those. And those are $3.49 for 20 seeds in there. Then I ordered some lettuce leaf salad bowl blend. And this package was $2.99. Okay, then I ordered some Beans Bush Gold Rush. And this package was $2.69. And the beans are all the way up to here, you guys. It's a lot of beans in here. You're getting your money's worth when you order from them. Then I ordered some Pepper Sweet Bell Blend. There's 30 seeds in here for $2.49. Then I ordered these Clancy potatoes. I want to try these seeds, potato seeds. There's 12 seeds for $4.29. So what I'm going to do is start off with 6 of them and see how they go and try to succession plant them and just see how they grow. But I'm going to try Clancy's potato seeds. Then I got another bush bean, royal burgundy bean. Wow, the beans are all the way up to here, you guys. Yeah, so you get a lot of beans in here. 15 grams, it said, but it's a lot of beans in here. Then I ordered strawberries, red and yellow Wonder blend. I ordered some strawberry seeds. And okay, because plants are just too expensive to order and ship, so I just ordered the seeds. So much cheaper. Oh, this is really big thing. I ordered another bush bean jade. And I ordered a big package of this, and this was $5.59. I don't know why I ordered this big package. I don't know why I ordered this. Maybe it was on sale. I don't know why I ordered that. I only got all these beans. This one is not $5.59. So hold on 1 second. This big package only was $1.67, y'all. But it says $5.59. And that was my botanical interest seed haul. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.